Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add an animated GIF to your Outlook email. This is a great way to make your messages more engaging and expressive, whether you're sharing a fun reaction or adding visual interest to your communication. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account. This will load in all your emails and give you access to the tools you need. Just wait a moment for everything to sync and appear on your screen. You'll know you're ready to move forward when you can see your inbox fully loaded with all your messages and folders visible. Now that your email interface is up and running, we need to access your email composition tools. To do this, look toward the top left part of your screen where you'll find the New Email button. Click on it to open up a fresh email composition window. This is where you'll craft your message and add that animated GIF you want to include. Once the email composition screen opens up, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see several tabs there, and you want to click on the Insert menu. This tab contains all the tools for adding various elements to your email, from images to tables to attachments. After clicking Insert, you'll notice a variety of options become available across the ribbon. From these options, locate the Attach File button. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear with different choices for where to pull files from. You want to select Browse this PC, which allows you to access files stored locally on your computer. This is important because it gives you direct access to that animated GIF file you've saved and want to share. After clicking Browse this PC, a File Explorer window will pop up on your screen. This is your standard Windows file browser, so navigate through your folders just like you normally would when looking for any file. Take your time to locate the specific animated GIF file you want to add to your email. Once you've found it, click on it to select it. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted in the File Explorer. With your animated GIF selected, look for the Insert button at the bottom of the File Explorer window and click it. The file will then be automatically added to your email body as an animated GIF, meaning it will appear with all its animation intact, not as a static image. You should see it appear right in the body of your email, ready to bring some life to your message. And that's it. You've successfully added an animated GIF to your Outlook email, making your communication more dynamic and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.